Hola, my name is Lizette Colón, and I am a retired counselor from Ostos Community College in the Bronx. I served the city of New York for 41 years. 4 years ago, when city officials first announced plans to shift retirees like me onto a Medicare Advantage plan, I felt a total betrayal. So many of my fellow retirees had dedicated decades of their lives working for the city of New York because we care deeply about the people who live here and we believe in the mission of public service. Many stayed in jobs that paid less than private employers because we wanted to help build the city we call home. In exchange for that loyalty, the city promised to care for us into our retirement, including the most important benefit, traditional Medicare with a supplement. As we age, that combination allows us the best access to health care. In contrast, the Medicare Advantage plans they have tried to force us into have limited networks and are known to delay and deny health care for seniors. Luckily, the New York City retirees immediately caught wind of this change and started to fight back. Demonstrations began right away, and the New York City Organization of Public Service Retirees sued the city for violation of our promised benefits, a legal battle that has continued for 4 years. With countless court dates, only one court has sided with the city. We are making progress all the time. The beauty of this fight mirrored the beauty of New York City. Hundreds of thousands of people came together to fight back, including people of all ages, backgrounds, and beliefs. We organized and stood in solidarity to protect our right to health care. Groups like the New York City Organization of Public Service Retirees, the Cross Union Retiree Organizing Committee, CROC, Radical Elders, PNHP, Be a Hero, and No More 24 Hours joined with other local champions to hold dozens of demonstrations. We filled City Hall during hearings to make sure retiree voices were heard. We went to Albany to speak with our state legislators and to DC to speak with our federal ones. We were loud, we were persistent, and we were heard. Recently, the city walked back the plan, and we know this is a major win, not only for New York City retirees, but also for retirees fighting similar battles across the country. Medicare Advantage means inferior coverage, and it is not fair to degrade health care for retirees just to save a quick buck, especially when corporations like United and Aetna make hundreds of billions in profits each year. While we are celebrating this win, we know we are not finished yet. The time is now for the New York City Council to step up. It needs to codify retirees' right to traditional Medicare plus supplemental insurance. There is a bill pending, Intro 1096, sponsored by Council member Chris Marte, that would protect and codify our retirees' rights to the care we have been promised. But Speaker Adrienne Adams has refused to allow it to come to the floor for a vote. So, what we need everyone in New York City to do today is to call Speaker Adams and your own council person and tell them to pass Intro 1096. Let's keep fighting to get Intro 1096 across the finish line. Because when we fight, we win. And we are going to keep fighting.